Sally Stannard, the Director General of the Department of Transport and Main Roads, or TMR, is very proud to present TMR's new accessibility and inclusion strategy. The strategy is called Moving Together to Connect Queensland. The strategy highlights the progress made in integrating accessibility principles across project management, communication, leadership, and infrastructure design, though these are early steps in our long-term transformation journey. The strategy was co-designed with customers, employees, and delivery partners to systematically coordinate efforts beyond minimum legal compliance. Accessible transport gives people greater autonomy and access to health, education, and employment opportunities, benefiting individuals, communities, and the economy. The vision is a transport network where everyone feels welcomed and can travel freely, regardless of personal circumstances. Alongside TMR workplaces, where all employees belong and feel safe. This requires constant attention, unwavering resolve, and the dismantling of systemic barriers through holistic organizational transformation. The strategy includes 3 key commitments. The first commitment is to grow mindset, capability, and culture. This is a commitment to develop accessibility awareness across all layers of the transport network and to drive a mindset change to make inclusion part of our core business. It is also a commitment to build employee and delivery partner capability while increasing the understanding that kindness and care positively impact customer journeys. Key actions from this commitment include a Move Together social media campaign, an inclusive precincts guide, a digital accessibility capability uplift, and a change champion community of practice. The outcome this commitment seeks to achieve is that TMR employees and delivery partners have the skills, capability, and mindset to provide accessible, dignified, and inclusive experiences for customers. The second commitment is to embed accountability. This is a commitment to ensure everyone knows their accessibility obligations and responsibilities. It includes maintaining clear, transparent compliance to build public confidence. It also includes measuring and sharing successes and failures, while optimizing opportunities for improvement that arise from complaints. Key actions from this commitment include an organizational change plan, a social impact framework, workplace adjustment process mapping, and independent research to better understand the experiences of employees with a disability. The outcome this commitment seeks to achieve is that TMR employees and delivery partners understand their access and inclusion responsibilities, enabling results to be measured and successes and failures shared. The third commitment is to commit to accessible and inclusive design. This is a commitment to apply accessible, inclusive design as both a mindset and a process in every transport project. It aims to go beyond minimum compliance by considering diverse lived experiences and by leveraging diverse perspectives for better outcomes. Key actions from this commitment include a universal design policy framework, a co-design capability uplift, accessible forms, and an accessible communications project. The outcome this commitment seeks to achieve is that universal design is the standard by which TMR employees and delivery partners work and is applied from the start of every new initiative. It also includes customer information and communication that is consistent, accessible, and available to all in a range of ways. This strategy supports TMR's vision of connected communities in a sustainable, thriving, and inclusive Queensland. It also supports our purpose to provide reliable, resilient, and responsive transport networks that are safe and accessible for everyone. We strive towards valuing, respecting, and celebrating diversity, leading the provision of dignified, accessible transport that enables community participation and access to employment, health, education, recreation, and culture. We strive towards exceeding minimum compliance requirements to deliver functional, inclusive outcomes for customers and employees. We work towards creating inclusive culture through cooperation, collaboration, openness, and curiosity that fosters belonging, connection, equity, and safety. We also strive towards acknowledging and addressing systemic barriers that prevent equitable transport access. We also strive to work collaboratively with customers, employees, partners, and all levels of government to align with human rights obligations. And finally, we strive to being an employer of choice, recognized for our inclusive and diverse workforce. Our strategic focus is for systemic change, to transform mindsets and remove barriers, enabling everyone to participate in society on an equal basis.